Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new, karibu sana. In today's video I am going to show you my living room space, and I am doing this because I want to start a mini series for my house tour, and this is part 1, so let's get into the video. So where you are is where the entrance of the house is, and beside that is my dining. I am not going to show you that for today. So when you get in, this is the first place that you will land on, and this is where we put our keys. And there is a candle here, it's gone off, and I have a vase. I want to put either eucalyptus stems or pampas grass in here. So yeah, also when you get from there, this is the first couch that you will land on. It's a 3-seater. These pillows, as you can see, they don't fit in the cushion. I am planning to get some pillows and pillowcases from Smart Lady Home. So yeah, but this is my couch. I have 2 throw blankets, this one and this other one. This is yellow and that is turquoise, I think. And then on the wall here I got baskets. I have 7. The first one you've seen is for my keys, and then 6 of them I have put them on the wall as wall art. And then when you get to this side, there's a window, and down here is a poof. This is where I put our son's toys, or rather where I hide them. So this one I got locally made. Actually all the furniture is locally made. And then these curtains, the previous house that we lived in had really short windows, so I have very high ceilings in this house, so that's why you see the curtains are don't touch. And then on this side I have a fireplace. This is where I have mounted the TV and put some frames. This is a coin box, and then I have some flowers there. This is a jar that I have taken from my pantry because it was empty. But if I don't have flowers here, I don't put anything. This is our sound bar. And then up there I have a painting. It's an elephant that we got in 2015 from Diani. And yeah, our fireplace doesn't have anything. What I'm planning to do here is put tiles around the fireplace and inside. Maybe I will create an electric fireplace. I am still not sure about that because it is a big project. So here I have the second window, same curtains. This one's also short. And then these floor pillows, my partner made them when he was still a bachelor juu hakuwa na kiti, so these were enough for him, and we kept them because they are sentimental to him. And then down here, this basket, I got it from Coast. It was I think 200 bob, and then I used this mustard yarn, the small size, to create tassels and also a hem kuficha the top part, and also to give an illusion. I really love this basket. Then this side is our speaker. Then on this side we have another nightstand. These were in our previous house bedroom, but this one, our master bedroom, is really small, so they don't fit well. That's why we opted to put them here. I am planning to paint them white, maybe remove the door and just leave it open so that I can put baskets underneath, paint them white, and have a marble contact paper on top. And then I have a frame here. This is where we put our remotes, and another one is here. So this is where we put our remotes. This is where the machine is. Back there I have hidden an extension. Then this side, on this side is our favorite couch, because if you come to our house, this is our side. You sit on the other couch. This is for me, my partner, and our son. So we like to chill here when either we are watching a movie or just enjoying a simple conversation or anything like that. So the pillows, again, I will change them up. This is the main reason why this video has taken long to shoot, because I did not have pillows that were satisfactory to me, but I was like, I don't care, this video has to go up. So yeah, then here we have another pillow, and then I have a throw blanket. So this is mine, that is the blue one is my partner's, and then this is my corner, and that is his corner. My son normally sits here. Our son normally sits on this side, so we watch the TV from here. And then this couch, previously it was red, a really bad black and red. So we had it refurbished to a charcoal gray fabric, which we really love because it doesn't stain so much. And since we have a very playful child, it is perfect. Then up here is a lasso that I framed. I bought this lasso in Coast also. It was going for around 400 bob, but I think you can get them cheaper if I'm not wrong. So I just framed that and hung it on the wall as a piece of art. And this other side, I made this shelf using sisal rope, and then this wood, I just got it from a local carpenter. He drilled holes for me, painted it this walnut brown color. I fungered the ropes and made it into a shelf. So I have a snake plant, I have books. I have not put them on the other way because I don't like the color very much. So this muted nude color is perfect. It goes with everything there. Then these frames, when you saw from the other frames, they were a set of 3. I got them from House of Leather for I think around 1500 bob. And then this elephant, we really love elephants in this house. So these elephants were a gift from my auntie, and this vase, or I don't know what this thing is called. So this houses our snake plant that is still growing. That was thrifted. So here we have our coffee table. This is where we have most of our dinners actually. So on here I have this round tray with metallic handles. This tray was inspired by an Instagram page. I have forgotten the name, but they inspired me to make this. So I just went to the fundi, made a circle piece of wood, then inserted the handles. I just painted it a clear varnish. So I didn't want to paint it the same color as the table because I wanted some contrast to be there. And then I have this XOXO game that I am using as a piece of art in this house because we have so many games. Down here, if you can see, there is a piece of wood. On this other side, I have the handles that open that way, and here we have all our other games, card games, board games, and all that. And then I have this plant that I thrifted also, and also the vase. It's like a clay pot that I've just put sand in it so that it can support the plant a bit. This was also thrifted. The XOXO was thrifted. And then I have this lantern that I got from House of Leather for I think around 800 bob, but there are Instagram pages that sell them. You can check them out. And then over here we have our son's table, and this is my least favorite piece of furniture together with this chair. I am planning to change these two. And yeah, this is where he does his homework. This is where he feeds from. And yeah, that is my living room space. It's simple, I think. I am planning to have some changes other than the fireplace. I want to have, let's say, a round mirror somewhere. I want to have 2 A4 prints over here, black and white. And then I want to have either a, what is this plant called? Either a palm tree over here, or a fiddle leaf tree. I am not sure which one. Yeah, and then I want to get some beads, the decorative beads. I have seen them from, what is this page called? Home Decor 254. I am planning to get beads from them so that I can put them on the table. This carpet, it's really huge. It's a white and gray carpet that I got from Kamukunji, and I really love it. It's I think 9 by 12 if I'm not wrong, and it cost around 13,000 bob. So online you'll get them at a very high price, but if you go to Kamukunji you'll get them at a cheaper price. So the style of my living room, I wanted to go with a modern farmhouse boho living room theme. So you will see a lot of woods, a lot of leather. I'm planning to get leather pillows or leather pillow covers, and then you will also see a lot of muted colors. So there are whites, there are browns, and there are grays. So those are the colors the base colors that I'm going for. And then for the accent colors, I change my mind quite often, so I am not sure about that, but it will either be navy blue or a teal aqua color and some hints of yellow. So those are the colors I am going for. And then I'm also planning to change my curtains to floor length curtains, and I'll also remove the curtain boxes so that I can have rods from the ceiling down to the floor. This is my living room. I hope you enjoyed the video.